today we are going to be adding and subtracting radicals. So in the left-hand column you'll notice that we have our steps 1 through 6, and then in the right-hand column we have our example. So when we're combining like radicals, combining means adding or subtracting, so I'll use those interchangeably. You can only combine like terms. We learned things that are like terms are 2x and 3x, for example. They are like terms because they both have x, and if I combine them, I would combine the coefficients of 2 and 3 to get 5x. So that's just one example. When it comes to radicals, like terms have the same radicand. Radicand is the inside number, the number inside of the radical. This number has to be the same in order to combine radicals. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So step 3, it says simplify everything first. So we look over at 5 root 7 plus root 28. Right now they do not have the same inside number or radicand. This means we need to simplify to see if we can get the same number. 7 is a prime number, therefore I cannot simplify it. 28, however, is not, so I'm going to use prime factorization to simplify 28. So I know that 7 times 4 is 28. I know that 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to circle the ends of my numbers. So right now we have 7 times 2 times 2. Now remember, you can only bring a number out if it has a pair. 2 has a pair, so I'll circle them. I'm then going to cross one out and take the other 2 out. And that's going to leave me with a 2 on the outside and a 7 staying on the inside. So I'm going to rewrite that down here. It's no longer the square root of 28. It is now 2 square root 2 square root 7. I'm going to bring down 5 root 7, and I'm going to bring down my addition sign. We are now on step 5, where we can circle the like terms. Well, they're both like terms because now we have the same inside number, root 7 and root 7. This means I can add or subtract, in this case we're adding, the coefficients of like radicals. Now coefficients, another important vocabulary word. This means the number outside. The number outside is 5 in this case and 2 in the other. So I'm going to add 5 and 2. 5 and 2 give me 7. Now the radicands, I'm not adding those, I'm leaving them the same. So I'm just going to attach square root of 7. So my final answer is 7 square root 7.